whenever you receive a payment from Instamojo, what do you do next? You check the payment, then manually send a confirmation mail and then save the data somewhere, right? Now imagine this, the moment customer completes the payment instantly without any delay, they receive a confirmation email, and the mail was not a generic, it's a personalized mail for each user. And at the same time, their complete payment data gets automatically saved inside your Google Sheets. No manual work, no miss entries and no confusion. So what I have done is very simple. I connected Instamojo with Gmail and Google Sheet using Pabbly Connect. All-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. For me, this makes everything very simple. With this, I have created a complete flow as whenever a payment is successful, the customer gets an instant mail and all the data is logged automatically inside Google Sheet. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this workflow step by step. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/connect. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to design this type of amazing workflows for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Here, as we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. Next, I am creating a workflow from scratch, so I am selecting this option. After that, I am entering a workflow name as send order confirmation emails and save Instamojo payments in Google Sheet. Here I have given this name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on the automation you are creating. After the folder, I am selecting as Pabbly Connect. Next, I will click on this create button and see our workflow is created successfully. Now, this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I received a new payment through my Instamojo, then automatically this automation gets triggered. So for that, I am selecting my trigger application as Instamojo. After selecting the application, the app event I am selecting as new sale and clicking on this connect button. See, it will provide me one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below that how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account with your Instamojo account. So at first, I am copying this webhook URL from here, and now I am going to take you to my Instamojo account. See, this is the dashboard of my Instamojo panel where I have already created some pages. So I am clicking on the Smart Pages button and selecting the product from here as this, that is design address. Now for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Instamojo, you have to click on this option and click on this edit page, and this product page is going to be appear in front of you. You just have to scroll down and you will see an option by the name of add webhook. So you have to make sure that to enable this toggle and paste the webhook URL that you have copied from here. See, here the one setup is already added. So at first I am removing the previous one and pasting the new webhook URL in this way. Next, from this drop down, I have selected as successful payment. Next, I am clicking on the save button and clicking on this yes save and update button. See, our webhook is saved and it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I am going to purchase this dress. So for that, I am copying its URL from here and opening it in a new tab. Now I am going to make one test payment. For that, I am clicking on this pay now button. After that, I have entered the test details in each of these fields. That is, the first name is test, last name is user, one test email address and the contact number too. And doing one test payment from my mobile phone. See, the payment is successfully completed and I have received the receipt too. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, automatically I received a new response. That includes all the leads that I have entered while doing the payment. This means that the connection between my Instamojo account and my Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, I am going to select my action application as Gmail because I want to send instant emails to my user's Gmail account. After selecting the application, the app event, I'm selecting as send email and clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. Here I'm making a new connection, so I'm selecting this option and clicking on the sign in with Google. Next, the Pabbly Connect is asking me for my permission, so I'm permitting it by clicking on this continue button, and you will see how easily your Gmail account is going to be connected with your Pabbly Connect account. After that, the sender name I am entering as Demo Tech Solutions. Here I have given the sender name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on your own business. Next, as soon as you can connect your Gmail account with Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address in this field. After that, in this recipient email address field, I am going through the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is this Instamojo. Now, what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation, as it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So for capturing each user's information dynamically, mapping is used. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field, and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this recipient email address field, I am doing the mapping of email address. See, it is mapped. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time on the new payment, this email address will change. Next, the CCBC send reply to is not a required field, so I'm leaving these blank and directly entering the email subject as your payment is successful. After that, I'm entering the email content. Here I have entered. Now after this, I want my user's full name. So for that, I am again doing the mapping from the previous application. See, this is how easily you can do the mapping. And I want you to know that I have entered this email content by my choice and only map some data. You can map more data and customize it completely based on your own choice. Next, the email content type I am selecting as HTML because I entered this email content in the HTML format. You can also create your HTML by clicking on this here below, and a complete tutorial of how you can create a HTML link is also there, so you can check it out. After that, the labels I'm selecting as inbox. Next, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can attach it from here. After that, I'm clicking on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response. Now I am going to check my Gmail account to see whether I have received a new mail or not by refreshing it. See, automatically I received a new mail 0 minutes ago. That includes all the map data and the details that I have entered in this email content field. This means that our action step is also working perfectly. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Moving forward, I'm going to select my next action application as Google Sheet. For that, I'm clicking on this plus option and selecting the application from here. App event, I'm selecting as add new row and clicking on this connect button. If you don't have existing connection, then you will click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. I have an already existing connection, so I am selecting this and clicking on the save button. See, my Google Sheet account is successfully connected with my Pabbly Connect account. After the spreadsheet, I am selecting as Instamojo payment leads. See, this is the same sheet, Instamojo payment leads. Here you will see as soon as I have selected the spreadsheet, will automatically generate the fields here exactly same that are present in this sheet. And in each of these fields, I am doing the mapping from the previous application, that is the payment ID. After that, the customer name. Next, the phone number, email address, and lastly the payment status. Here I have mapped. After that, I'm clicking on the save and send test request button. You will see I have received the positive response and immediately one new record is added in my Google Sheets too. So this means that this step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing this amazing setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.